Hello, my name is Mrs. Burnett and I teach chemistry here at CCA. I've been here since 2008 and I really enjoy teaching the young people. I think it keeps me young. I would like you to know that there's several resources available to your child. We have the MyCCA Online Learning Center, and I really do post almost everything that your child needs to be successful on this website. We have topics, and we have the assignments, and then the grade book. And the students are able to access any information that they need, and a lot of times I will post helps. I also have included a few resources on this website. I have the links with the textbook, and then we use Quizlet to review, as well as Mahjong Chemistry and some other game type websites to help the students learn all that they need to know about chemicals. So in this class, really what I want your child to learn is how to stay safe in the world around us and what different chemicals do to our bodies and all the things that we can do with them. It really is, science really is thinking God's thoughts after Him and applying those thoughts to service. So I'm hoping that your child really grows spiritually as well as academically in my class this year. I'm looking forward to a great year. Please contact me if you need anything, have any questions or concerns.